Coloring Dreams.
Hello everyone, I am Sarah. Today I'm drawing and coloring letter B, and 4 words start with B. Let's draw the big, bold letter B. Start by making a long line from top to bottom. Then add one big curve at the top and one at the bottom. The letter B has a straight line down its side, like a tall back, and 2 round bumps, like 2 big bellies. B is for so many fun things like balloon, butterfly, boat, and banana. When you're done, it looks like the letter B is giving a friendly hug. Let's draw a happy little banana. Start by making a long, curvy shape, like a big smile. Bananas are shaped like a big smile, so they make us happy. Don't forget the little stem at the top, that's how bananas hang from the tree. Draw a thick line down the middle to show where the peel would split. When you're done, you'll have a fun and friendly banana ready to go. Great job on your fruity artwork. Let's draw a bouncy ball. This ball is nice and round, just like a circle. Balls are great because they're for games and play. It has fun lines going across it, almost like it's wearing stripes. So, let's make this ball as colorful as possible, and imagine all the games we can play with it. Let's draw a super cool boat. Imagine this boat sailing on a big, blue ocean, or maybe even taking a trip to an island with treasure. And see the long lines across the boat? Those are like racing stripes that help it zoom through the water. What color will you make your boat? And where will it sail to next? This boat has 2 big windows so the captain can look out and steer through the waves. Look at the little flag on top. It's like the boat's special hat that shows everyone where it is. Let's draw a beautiful butterfly. It has little antennae on top of its head, helping it smell flowers and find friends. This butterfly even has a smiley face, which means it's happy to see you. Butterflies have 2 big wings on each side that help them fly around, looking for pretty flowers. Did you know that butterflies come in all sorts of amazing colors? This one can be any color you imagine.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
The circles on its wings are like windows, making it look fancy and special. Butterflies start out as tiny eggs, then become hungry caterpillars. After eating lots of leaves, they wrap themselves up in a little sleeping bag called a chrysalis. When they wake up, they're not caterpillars anymore, they're colorful butterflies. What colors would you like to use? Go wild with blues, reds, yellows, or even rainbow colors.
Green.
Let's color the big, bold letter B.
B.
Beet can be colored any way you want. Imagine it being green like nature or bold and bright like your chosen color. Look at this cool letter B. It's like a big, happy smile with two bumps stacked on top of each other. Did you know that B is the beginning of lots of fun words? Like B for butterfly, just like we drew earlier, B for ball, and B for banana. Let's make this B as beautiful as we can. When you're done coloring, say but B out loud. Doesn't it sound fun? B is also for brave, so let's be brave with our colors.
Yellow.
Color the banana yellow for a ripe, yummy look, or try coloring it green to make it a baby banana that's still growing.
Banana.
Bananas are not just tasty, they're also super healthy and give you lots of energy to play and have fun. As bananas grow, they start out green, and as they get riper and sweeter, they turn a sunny yellow. Just like the banana in this picture.
Pink.
Did you know that beach balls are made for sunshine and fun?
Ball.
Each section of the ball can be colored a different shade, so get creative. Try using blue, red, yellow, orange, green, or even purple to make it super cheerful.
Red.
Each part of the ball can be a different color, making it look like a little piece of the rainbow.
Purple. Orange. Blue.
Beach balls are perfect for playing games, splashing in the pool, and even having contests to see who can throw it the highest.
Boat.
Little sailors, let's color this bright and cheerful boat ready for an adventure on the high seas. Start with the purple hull at the bottom, which gives the boat a strong and sturdy appearance as it sails through the waves. This boat has a fun, playful look with a bold, colorful design that makes it stand out on the water. Then, color the yellow stripe across the middle. This is like a racing stripe to make the boat super fast. Above is a green cabin where the captain stands and steers the boat. Add some bright colors. This boat will be all set to explore the sea.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
The two big blue windows are like the boat's eyes, helping it see where it's going.
B, C, D, E.
And don't forget the red flag on top. It waves in the wind to let everyone know the boat is ready for an adventure. Little artists, let's bring this friendly butterfly to life with bright colors. Start by coloring the top wings in yellow and pink, making them shine in the sunlight.
Butterfly.
Let's give this butterfly a splash of color so it can fly around looking beautiful and happy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
Don't forget the big blue circles and pink spots on its wings. They're like decorations to make the butterfly look magical and unique.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Then, add some colors to the blue and green bottom wings, just like a garden full of flowers.
A, B, C, D, E,
Amazing!
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time.
Look at those beautiful wings. It's like the butterfly is wearing a rainbow.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Wow, so beautiful!
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
In the middle, the butterfly has a happy smiling face to greet you.
Banana. Ball. Boat.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Butterfly.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Look how it's looking amazing.
My ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
See you on next video.